Another thing I have here is the glossary. So if you guys are looking to do, um, this is for keyword research. So one thing when it comes to making money online and marketing and building products or whatever, you want to know keywords. So you have like keywords like SEMrush and Ahref and different things like that that you could go to. But I gathered all that information. I've been pulling it for last couple months. I got like a couple million keywords. So I'm putting all those keywords and information into this glossary. So you can go here and you can browse by A to Z if you have a specific keyword that you're interested in. You can search by different categories. So if you have a different category here you want to talk about, um, so say F, you have all the different F categories here. So like fantasy literature, fantasy arts, and fantasy. Let's go to E. So you have all these for E. Education values, education, social, emotional. So these are all like different tags that you can pull. And then what I got here is I have a word of the day. So this would be a keyword that you would might want to target. So for today would be children's book cover wall art. So this would be your niche, and it'll give you some information. And you can click on this and go to the page. Again, here I have a offer if you want like something that I've made or an affiliate program that I have. And then here it gives you essential keywords. So it pulls the first 20, I think, keywords. Every time you refresh the page, will be random. And then you come here and go through the bottom. But when you go here and find a keyword that you want, um, you can also search for a specific keyword. So if you want a specific keyword for your marketing, you see if it's there. But here, let's say we want the children's garden book. So that's going to be my keyword that I want to target. So I'll click on that, and it'll bring me here to my children's keyword demographic. So this is what I would use if I wanted to use this as my main keyword that I would market to. So why would I want to market to this? So it's a beginner keyword. It's an easy keyword to get to. Um, so the average startup cost, if you wanted to build a business around it, would be under $100. We have your platform where you'd want to maybe target this word, so it would be physical book, outdoor stuff, workshops. And then I have a definition, so it's a genuine, generic or specific title for a book designed to teach children how to plant, grow, and care for plants. So that would be your main definition of why you would want to use this word. From there, so what is the children's book? Again, it will give you more information about the book or the keyword. We'll go into a deeper dive. So why you want to use this. So this would be for modern children's garden books often integrate STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math concept into environmental stewardship. It gives you a deep dive here. We have the history and origin of the word. We have some also known as words here. Why this book matters. So let's say it taps into the growing green parenting and natural nature play movements, which are significant to modern educational markets. And then how it works to make money. You go to sales to school. You can create something that goes to schools, libraries, bundled with gardening kits, seeds, tools, and workshop fees for garden based whatever. So that gives you an idea of how you can use it to make money. From there, you have practical applications. So you have like real world use cases. So primary school teachers using this book to help her students start a community vegetable patch in the schoolyards. Common practices. And then I have case study, so you can do for a case study, school garden project, and then how that would work. Key takeaways. And then here I have like a step-by-step checklist of what you can do um, to get started with this keyword, what you might want to do to make money with it. From there, I have our couple questions and a couple answers that people ask, and then I have your content creator startups setup. So basically, use these AI generated ideas to make whatever. So blog headlines. So growing together, top kid garden books, teaching sustainability in the garden, the best STEM garden books for kids, how to start a pizza garden, nature education through gardening. Right. So these are all blog topics that you might want to write about. YouTube titles. So if you wanted to write or do a YouTube video, these would be give you ideas for some titles. Pinterest pins, kid garden projects, DIY seed starter kit ideas, school gardens, whatever. Instagram post ideas, and then I have a couple websites. So resources here, so kidgardening.org and then National Gardening Association. So these are like resource websites you can go to learn more about the topic or see what other people are doing um, in the topic. So here I have my AI command center. So this is what I had here. I created um, AI prompt that you can use. So it'll take this information and you can run it through AI to make some tools. So this is a AI image prompt. I'll give you a prompt here. You can copy the prompt and put it into whatever AI generator you want. Product idea prompt. I'll give you have your AI strategy prompt. So you have these three different types of prompts. We have related keywords. So if you want to see whatever stuff is related, you can come here at your related terms. Again, I have an ad placement there. You can save the PDF. So if you click on this, it'll come up and then you can save the file as a PDF on your computer. So it's 5 pages. You can save it as a PDF for your later use. You can share the guide or you can bookmark the guide. So the only way you can bookmark it is if you set up a free account, and the bookmark will work. Otherwise, you won't be able to bookmark it. Also known keywords, and then like I said, the ideas here for um, physical books, outdoor workshops, and then you can hear mark it as read, and then yeah. So that's basically the glossary. I have about 4,000 words so far in the glossary. So and like I said, every time you come here, you can jump in and um, come up with different ideas. Right now, the main niches I have in here are adult coloring books and a couple other small things, but that's the main one I've gotten into so far.